Oh yeah, another iced tea here today with the chia seeds. Dropping a little ice in there. This is my insulated Yeti cup. I actually have many of these. Yeti. This one here is stainless steel. Holds quite a bit. That ice stays cold throughout the day. It's most valuable in summertime on hot, sticky days. Iced tea, chia seeds, honey. Wow. It's going to be good. Yes. Please click the view products. Shop the sponsor. They got these Yeti cups. I think there's free shipping, discounts, can't go wrong. Many colors. I love it. Make sure to watch Chef's other videos and learn some more information about health, nutrition, and wellness, and chia seeds. Get cooking, get the butcher block, and premier Japanese knives at the sponsor. Wow, handmade santoku. That's a really cool knife. I like it. Some valuable tips to help you improve your diet. So right here, I've got some chia seeds. These are natural, organic, USDA organic, small farmer direct. I like it. Wow. A little scoop like this right here, 3 tablespoons, goes into my iced tea. Oh, wow. And right there, I've got, believe it or not, 6 grams of protein, 15% of your calcium, 10% of your iron, some potassium, a little bit of carbs, a little bit of fiber, a little bit of fat. That's okay. Only about 150 calories, but the thing I'm after right here is the protein. 6 grams of protein, and it's really, really cheap. It's cheaper than an egg, like a hard-boiled egg. This protein right here tastes good. It goes down easy. I like it in iced tea. Wow. It's kind of nice. Crunchy, smooth. I like it. Anyway, I wanted to tell you about my experience here. So this was 2 pounds. I ordered online and I got screwed. It was like $20 with the shipping. This one here is 3 pounds and I got it Costco. Costco had a good deal. It was like $8. You can't go wrong. Once again, it's plant-based protein. It is 16 grams of protein, which is like 10% of your recommended daily allowance there. It's good. It's farmer direct. It's got all the information about it there. And wow, I really like it. So with that, I'm out. Thank you, Costco. Check them out. I really like the deal I got there on the chia seeds. And oh yeah, protein in the drink, I like it. Of course you can use it in muffins, cakes, baking, cookies, you name it. You can even put it into hummus. But for me, I just want the protein. I drink a lot of tea, iced tea with honey every day. A gallon, 2 gallons. Oh yeah. Wow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe the video. Check out your sponsor. They got these awesome butcher blocks. This one's going on 25 years, I think. It's been cut on millions of times. Made in USA. Free shipping, no tax. They give you discounts. This is the good stuff right here. If you're watching anyone cooking anything on television, they're using the sponsor's boost blocks right there. Yeah. Wow. Packed protein tea. I like it. By the way, this is a Ceylon black tea. Really, really good stuff. Super healthy antioxidant. Wow. Thanks for watching. Burning calories, getting hungry. Oh. Oh. Yes. Pepper. This one is brass. This was featured in one of the big magazines. I think it was Bon Appetit, Better Homes and Garden. They said, wow, best pepper mill you can buy because the quality is there. Watch my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, these babies are in stock. It's gonna be good. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain, love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. Now you're wondering, just how good is this chicken, right? I don't always marinate my grilled chicken, but when I do, it comes out perfectly. Good idea to salt it after you grill it. There's many reasons why. And let's put a little more of this fresh ground pepper. Oh yeah. So now, you're interested, you better subscribe right here and search chicken on this channel. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Real quick mention here. The other part of the knife is the cutting board or cutting surface. You see I'm doing a rocking motion here? Cutting some imaginary herbs. Beautiful. Same thing with the next one. The angle's not as good, but it's working. Okay? Same thing with the next one. Yeah, I like it. So wrap it tight, get the air out, shelf life 3 days. The blocks. Get the best block the first time. Visit your sponsor. By the way, I'm cutting tomatoes, so I never use a butter knife. There are people that have knives this dull. They're trying to cut their tomatoes with these butter knives. What the heck are they doing? This is for spreading butter or cutting cheese. It's a little chef. He's cute. From France. Chef cooked in France with Chef Bocuse. Bocuse is renowned around the world, so you'll pick up some master chef tips on this channel. Chef Bocuse. Yeah, amazing guy. Subscribe right here. Let's get cooking. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. People often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades. all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Blueberry pie, blueberry jam, blueberries. Ah. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. I'm just using some sticks, a little paper, a little cardboard, and the lump charcoal.